Well, here we are, first time back together, completely together. The new record player, everything's put in, a little out of balance, don't know, sitting on something maybe. I don't have the back tied in, I have to make a bracket for it yet. But there's the radio in all its glory, and all the new tubes. You can see they're so shiny. And we're just running on the internal antenna. We'll just fire it up and see what it looks like. We'll go to broadcast, which is AM. I don't know if you can notice, but it did light up. And it takes a little while to warm up. Let's see if that the green light. The green light will show up.
No, cats like with their sharp nails. So for those pet owners, they want to have
I know you can't see the eye.
Or have their own freedom to how to raise the
back.
cat. They decide to bring their cats to certain clinic and then have their
Here's FM.
51, Kashif Bashir was found not guilty by reason of wounding an Alexandria police officer back in 2013. He was treated at a mental hospital.
I don't have any shortwave antenna hooked up, so I doubt I'll find a whimper, and I don't. And let's see if we can get a record to play. Before my battery runs out. I should have looked at my battery before I started this exercise. If it gives us any difference. I know it rocks the machine. That was full volume for a little bit. This is half volume. About half, yeah. It's about half volume. It's not as loud, but it gets loud quickly. It's like a non-linear. This is side B. I'm going to just skip it down to see how else it sounds. A little different music. Okay, I'm going to stop this because I'm running out of battery. I think it's awesome.